Good day, everyone. I'm the reporter of Enhancing Vocabulary and Communication Skills Through Literature. Literature plays a vital role in developing vocabulary and communication skills. It exposes learners to new words, expression, and ideas. So, vocabulary is a reading stories, poem, and plays. Literature is one of the best way to get better at a language. It is not about just reading words. It's about learning how to talk to others and thinking yourself. Think for yourself. Objectives is improve vocabulary acquisition, enhancing communication skills, and develop critical thinking through literature. Importance of vocabulary. Vocabulary helps learners express the ideas clearly and understand others effectively. Why vocabulary is important? Vocabulary is important because it helps you to speak, understand, read, and learn more easily. The more words you know, the easier it is to communicate and understand others. Rule of literature. Literature introduces learners to rich language, diverse context, and meaningful communication. The rule of literatures like stories, poems, and books helps learners improve their language skills by teaching new words and showing different life situations. It allows learners to understand how people think, feel, and communicate in meaningful ways. Through literature, students can also learn how to express their own ideas clearly. In short, literature helps learners grow in understanding language and communicating better. And that's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jane Chibalera. Advantages of enhancing vocabulary and communication skills through literature. First is improving communication skills. Through activities like group discussions, storytelling, role play, and oral presentations, ma-appreciate jud sa students ang ilang speaking skills. Makakatun ang learners how to express their ideas clearly o confidently. Dili lang sila magbasa, but they are also speak and interact with others. For example, storytelling. Ang student mag-share og story like, once upon a time, then iya og explain in her own words. Sa group discussion, pwede sila moingon nga, I think the character is brave because cha-cha-cha-cha. This helps them practice real communication. Second is develop critical thinking. Analyzing stories, characters, and themes helps students think deeper. Maghuna-huna og lawom. Dili lang basta basa, but mag-question sila ngano na ing ani ang character or unsa ang lesson sa story. This improve their ability to explain ideas clearly. For example, after reading a story, a teacher asked, why did the main character make that decision? Ang student mo answer nga, kay gusto siya makatabang sa iyang pamilya. That's why he sacrificed. Number 3, builds creativity and imagination. Stories help students use their imagination and become more expressive. Makahuna-huna sila og own ideas, in endings, or even new stories. Mas mahimong creative ilang ways sa pag-communicate. For example, ang teacher mangutana, create your own ending sa story. Ang student may, what if the princess didn't wait for the prince, but she saved herself? Kuan ani, ang mga kuan ani students, nakakuha siya, shows creativity in your communications. Number 4 is improves reading comprehension. Regular reading helps students understand text better. Masabtan nila ang ilahang gibasa. For example, basa. Kung sige silang basa, mas dali nila makuha ang meaning sa words og sentence. This leads to better communication. For example, after reading, the teacher asked, what Next is disadvantages of enhancing vocabulary and communication skills through literature. So first is difficult vocabulary. So some literary texts use deep or unfamiliar words nga lisod sabton, especially sa mga beginners. So usahay ang mga words sa literature kay lalom kaayo or dili commonly used, so ma-confuse ang mga students. Instead nga makakaton sila, mahimong ma-discourage sila kay lisod sabton ang story. So for example, sa story na ay mga word nga melancholis nga, ang students mangutana nga unsa man ni ana, unsa man ni ma'am. So ang teacher ma-explain nga it means sad or lonely feeling. So kung daghag ing ani nga words, malibog ang learners. So dugay sila maka-learn, dugay sila makasabot. Second is time consuming. So reading and analyzing literature takes a lot of time. So dili lang basta basak, kailangan pa i-analyze ang story, characters ug meaning. Sa classroom nga naay limited time, dili tanan ma-discuss. So for example, teacher assign a short story. So instead of finishing in one class, mahimo pa siyang 2 to 3 session kay reading, magbasa tapos mag-discuss pa ka kay wa kasabot ang mga bata tapos activity, so madelay ang other lesson. So number 3 is lack of interest. So some students may find literature boring or hard to relate to, dili nila ma-relate sa ilang life. So kung dili interesting a story or dili nila masabtan, mawala ilang interest. So resulta ani, dili sila motivated mo read or mo participate. So for example, story about old times kanang mga king, castles. So ang student moingon sila nga, ma'am, boring man ni. Ay kanang murag wala sila kuan bagana nga maminaw, kanang saba sila ingana. So instead nga mo engage, pag silent na lang or dili mo participate.